The problem is with perfectionism is that it assumes you experience what you experience as a fixed point. So the music obviously is fixed, but your experience of it isn't. And it never is. Your experience of the music, your opinion of the music, your thoughts and your feelings about the music will always change. And that's the problem with perfectionism. If you believe that you have to have a fixed experience of the music, you're going to be going around in circles for the rest of your life. These judgments, because they're always changing, we need to gain some distance between us and those judgments. Recognize that your judgments aren't correct. They do hold information, potentially, that could be right, could be wrong. Right? But because they're always changing, we need to make music anyway so that we can choose the judgments rather than be like, oh, it's great. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, it's great. Oh, it's terrible. It's crazy what we end up doing by following our ever-changing judgments.